Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So the 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome typically indicates that you don't have permission to access a particular web page or resource. It could be due to various reasons, such as incorrect server settings, blocked IP addresses, or website restrictions. Here are some steps you can try to fix the 403 forbidden error. So first of all, reload the page. Sometimes the error may be temporary and reloading the page can resolve it. Press the F5 key on your keyboard or click the reload button in the browser. Okay? Next is to clear browser cache. So cache data may sometimes cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to see if it resolves the error. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to clear browser cache. So to do it, if you're using a Mac, to open a clear browsing data window, what you need to do is to click on the Command plus Shift plus Delete. Okay? And if you're using Windows, just go ahead and click or press the button on your keyboard, the Control, Shift, and the Delete button. Okay? So now what you need to do is to select the cached images and files, also the cookies, cookies and other site data. Okay, after you've done that, just go ahead and click on the clear data. But I won't do that in today's tutorial because I need to save some of my logins accounts. Okay, so that is how you clear browser cache. So the next thing that you need to do is to check URL and typing errors. Ensure that the URL you are trying to access is correct and doesn't contain any typing errors or extra characters. Now, try incognito mode. Open an incognito or private browsing window. So to do that, just go ahead and press the Control Shift and the N button on your keyboard in Chrome and try accessing the web page from there. This will open a new window with no extensions or cached data. Now, disable extensions. Some browser extensions may interfere with website access. Disable all extensions and try accessing the page again. Now, check internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause issues. Verify that you have a stable internet connection. Now, VPN and proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, try disabling it and accessing the website without it. Next is to contact website administrator. If you're trying to access a specific website, the issue may be on the website's end. Contact the website administrator to check if there are any experiencing any server issues or if there are any IP restrictions. And lastly, check website permissions. If you are the website owner or administrator, ensure that the file permissions and server configurations are set correctly to allow access to the content. If the 403 or 403 forbidden error persists and you believe it is a server-side issue or something beyond your control, there is little you can do on your end to fix it. In such cases, you may need to wait for the website owner or administrator to resolve the issue or contact your internet service provider for further assistance. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!